Okay guys, so driver query. So if you want the information about the driver installed in your PC, use this command's driver query. So what this command does is it will show you the list of it's a driver query, or it will show you the list of all the driver installed in your PC. Just press enter key. You can see all the list of drivers so far installed in my PC. So driver query, what this command does. So it's simple and easy. Open the command prompt as an administrator and run this command. So here you have all the driver that is installed in your PC. So whenever you want to make the query on your driver, you want to see or list the driver installed in your PC all in one place for some reason, or you want to make a file of it, so all the driver list that is installing one by one. You're gonna make a note in a Word or a WordPad, or you directly get here and directly copy it and paste it somewhere. So easy way get the list. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment.